Hello squad! Welcome stars of the internet! In this part, we want to calculate 7,920 divided by 16. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 7,920 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 16 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 7 big enough for 16 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 16 is larger than 7. So we must take the next digit too. How many 16 are in 79? The answer is 4. Now multiply 4 by 16, which gives us 64. Draw line and subtract 79 minus 64, which leaves us with 15. Now we bring down the next digit 2, and this makes our new number 152. How many 16 are in 152? The answer is 9. Now multiply 9 by 16, which gives us 144. Draw line and subtract 152 minus 144, which leaves us with 8. Now we bring down the next digit 0, and this makes our new number 80. How many 16 are in 80? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 16, which gives us 80. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 495. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.